If you order the same products on a regular basis, you will find our My List feature incredibly useful. By simply adding products to a My List, you can add these back into your basket for a repeat purchase in a matter of seconds. So let's have a look at how that's done. First of all, you need to sign into your account. So simply enter your username and password as usual and click sign in. Once you're in, let's go over the Your Account menu and you will see the My Lists option. Now you can start creating lists. You can create as many as you like. Each list is limited to 100 items per list. Simply click on the Create a List and enter a name for your new list. Now you have your new personal list created. You can create as many as you like. If you wish to share your list with other colleagues within your account, you can apply for a company list. Speak to your account manager if you wish to set one of these up. Now that we have our list created, we can simply add items to it whenever we want. When creating a list, you can select if you want to make it your default list. This means that any new list created with this option selected will automatically load when you load the My Lists area. You can also select to retain list quantities. So when adding a quantity to each item in your list, this is remembered within this list you've created. You will see a default in brackets for your defaulted list. Now whenever you go to this option, in the My Account menu, you will see that the new list default is what's automatically selected. Now let's go about adding some items to our list. There are multiple areas on the website where you can add to a list. Within search results, on product family pages, or on the page itself. Another easy place to add items to your My List is from your basket. So now we've added a few items to our basket, and these may be items that I repeatedly buy on a regular basis. It's easy to add these to a list. Add all items to a list is at the bottom of the basket page. I can select the list I want to add these items to, and you'll get a confirmation simply saying added to list. Now let's have a look at that list. And there they are. From this page, you can add single items to the basket by simply adding the quantity and then add to cart. Or you can simply add all items at once, enter the quantities you need and then add items to cart. Let's clear the basket so we can add those items again. So let's add those items to our basket. Simply go to the list you need, enter the quantities for each item, then click Add Items to Cart. Easy as that. You also have the option to import items into your list from a CSV. click on List Options and select Import List. Also, you can export lists should you wish to share them with colleagues. Let's export the list we created earlier. Simple. Product code and descriptions exported into Excel. Likewise, we can also import into a list. Simply click on List Options, Import List, and then select the file. You'll get a confirmation that the upload is successful. The list will then refresh, and there's your items. My lists are a great way of adding regular purchased items straight to your basket, making the shopping experience even more efficient.